We've got a new project here. We're fixing the floor, sort of like walking down the staircase. Something's wrong. So we're going to pull the floor up, find out, fix it. Might take a day or two. What I'll do is pull all the trim off, pull this door off, pull that piece up, and we're going to rebuild the problem with the hallways doing the same thing. So you got to find out what's going on. Here we go. Well, we're getting an idea of what happened. Looks like originally they had a 1/2-inch plywood over top of these floor joists, which here's a piece, kind of sad shape. There's been a lot of water. Bathtub's over that way, so I'd say that's where the water's coming from. 2x6s, they need some help. And so anyway, they did plywood on top of particle board on top of 1/2-inch plywood and felt paper in between each layer. And then there's water underneath. And then I don't like the way this support is because the board should have been turned on edge if you're going to use a 2x6. So we're making progress. We're going to get it all tore out, bring in new 2x6s. Some of these are okay, but not great. This one's pretty sad, but I'll probably put boards beside it and give it that much more strength and put a 4x4 underneath here because this one's broke. And I'm not that strong, but actually I fell through the floor. That's kind of unusual, I would say, but last year I fell through the floor and got a dancer's fracture, and I had to go around in a cast for 6 weeks. Where other people wouldn't work, I worked, and it was very clumsy. Looked like a club foot for a cartoon character. What was that? Hunchback of Notre Dame? Sanctuary! Sanctuary! Anyway, I didn't stop though. We kept working, and I'm kind of glad we did. But here we go. We're going to do this terrace on up. We'll show you some more when we get done. Okay, so we tore out this room. I actually fell through the floor. Lots of fun. At least I didn't break a foot this time. We put in new floor joists over here. We changed the support to a laid over 2x6 or 2x8 to a 4x4 to pressure treated. We screwed everything together, and wherever the floor joist looks strange or not good enough, we put in another one, and we're going to add probably 2 more in there, and then we'll fill all this area in. We put two vines in between, and if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see how we screw that together. That way it's no weaknesses on the outside. And everything's screwed down. Some of these floor joists we're having to deal with the fact that one is 7 1/4 and one is 7 inches. None of them are truly 7 1/2 what a 2x8 would be. So anyway, we're now putting supports under the hallway. We're going to tear out the hallway. We'll take you with us on that. But Clay, do not step on that board. That board right there.
Don't step on it.